We have Piettasenristi 12 sticky speed, but sadly we cannot get to the sticky speed right now, but later on it says 1995 here on the bunker.
Ah!
We can pass these 4 pressures, all 325 meters, and a green light for the up direction, upwards.
So this is mid-90s then?
Yes, of course. But this one seems to be slower.
Yeah.
Nice sound.
5 floors was
96?
1996, so this is early 1996, but already with those 1000 could have been this one. So here is the 1969 or 1969.
Just go ahead.
It's going to be inspected this year in 2022.
Oh, promising sound.
So the key is on the tenant. And it turned 25 years old in 2019. 2021 so
Yeah.
last year. Let's wait.
This is 96.
I think 1 rod is enough because we have to wait until it's quite slow.
Yeah, and also there are many other places to see.
Yeah, and we need to go to Leinola also. We have to be in Leinola yet. We're going there.
No. Oh, it's so bright.
Yeah.
They are really taking good care of these buttons. Let's go basement. Shall we enter right in there?
Yes.
Yeah.
And then let's get out.
We don't have enough time.
Yes.
We have to check the bus schedules.
Yeah.
But Leinola we have to close.
Yes. That's why we should check the
Yeah, but it's near, so we don't need bus to get there. Yeah. Vaikka vain meitä vaikka on.
That's it. Thank you very much for watching.
That's